I already recorded a video about the sketchy Fujitsu speakers that plugged in at the back of your power connector of your PC. I disconnected those because I find them kind of scary and they might explode because they were 90s things. But here I have two Logitech speakers that plug in normally. Let's do a freaking sound test on these with some Nightcore. I mean, they sound okay. It's not like they sound inherently bad or something. There's a slight bit of bass. Yeah, I mean, they sound fine for what they are. Yeah, they have the tiniest bit of bass.